Words F. She installed new tiles on the kitchen floor. His speech really floored the audience. They were speechless. The old floorboards creaked as we walked through the house. She lifted a loose floorboard to hide her savings underneath. His new movie was a flop at the box office. After a long day, she just wanted to flop onto the couch and relax. He wore a floppy hat that kept falling over his eyes. The dog's floppy ears bounced as it ran. The region is known for its diverse flora and fauna. She's studying the flora of tropical rainforests for her research. A single red rose was the only flower in the vase. She watched her idea flower into a full-fledged business. The artist's career began to flourish after her first exhibition. She placed the new plant in a decorative flower pot on the windowsill. The flower pot cracked when it fell off the table. She added flour to the dough mixture before kneading it. Wheat flour is often used to make bread and pastries. The river flows gently through the valley. The conversation flowed smoothly between old friends. She missed work for a week due to the flu. The clinic offers vaccinations to prevent the flu. The stock prices fluctuate daily based on market conditions. Her mood seemed to fluctuate depending on the weather. He is fluent in both French and English. She is a fluent speaker, able to express herself clearly and easily. Water is a clear, tasteless fluid essential for life. Her movements were fluid and graceful, like a dancer's. She felt a warm flush rise to her cheeks when he complimented her. After washing, flush the drain with clean water. His face was flushed from running in the cold weather. She flushed with pride as her name was announced as the winner. She plays the flute beautifully in the school orchestra. The glasses were shaped like a flute, tall and narrow for champagne. The bird can fly at remarkable speeds across open fields. He caught the fly buzzing around his kitchen. The foam on the cappuccino looked perfectly frothy. They used foam padding to protect the fragile items during shipping. The mattress is made of soft foam rubber for added comfort. She used foam rubber in her craft project to create soft shapes. Building a house in the flood zone turned out to be sheer folly. He embarked on a hiking trip with no map, a dangerous folly.